I'm here in South Miami on Sunset Drive. I mean, it has been years since I was here last. I think it was 2008. I was at Scully's. I mean, just a couple hundred yards that way. Well, I hear there's a new game in town you gotta check out where they're doing burgers and tacos like you've never seen before. This is Latin House.
Yellowtail, up.
Talk about Latin fusion, this is where it's at.
Your Matla burger.
Thank you.
It's a great restaurant.
One that Cuban-born chef Michelle Sanchez opened in 2012 after some truly dedicated service.
I was in the Air Force for 4 years.
Thank you for serving our country.
Thank you very much.
And he's still serving. This time, a mix of Latin cultures close to his heart.
Sticky nacho carne asada. My wife is Mexican, and so a lot of our dishes are that Cuban heart with the little sidekick of Mexican flair.
The Chimi Burrito, that is my favorite.
It's kind of a mix between a Cuban and a Mexican burrito.
We're gonna do our vaca frita for our chimi.
Vaca frita!
Vaca frita. We're gonna start off with our chopped onions. So we got the green peppers, whole garlics, and then our bay leaf. This is USDA choice flank steak.
Just gonna cook it down. While that's working, we're gonna make the mojo?
Correct. Classic mojo marinade, sliced onions, naranja agria.
Come on, sour orange, baby.
Chopped garlic.
And a little bit of salt.
We're just gonna let this kind of marry together.
So this is the vaca frita. This is the flank steak that's cooked down. I should probably just try this for like, you know.
Yeah, just test.
Oh!
So what we do is shred it by hand.
In the ropa vieja style.
Exactly, and removing all the little connective tissue that you have.
Whatever you're saying.
Once it's all shredded, we'll go ahead and take our mojo, pour it over the top.
All right, let's do this.
Exact translation of vaca frita, fried cow. So you gotta get it nice and crispy. While that's going, we'll take the tortilla, throw it on the flat top, give it a nice little warm up.
That's it?
Voila. All right, so we got our 3-cheese blend. You wanna start on the base. Chuchi rice.
Isn't that your mom's name?
That's my mom's nickname, is Chuchi. Put the sweet plantains directly inside the burrito. Then we take the vaca. We roll, squeeze the ends, roll again, push in. Always make sure you push it in because it will blow up on you. When it gets dropped for the flash fry.
Whoa, 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 whoa. You're gonna fry it?
I'm gonna drop it. Cool.
Oh, the Chimy football.
There you go. We're gonna slice it open. You got all that goodness inside.
Look at that.
The avocado lime, the crema mexicana, sour cream. We use these as our fries. We call it our tangled love. Our fresh pico de gallo, the Chimi Burrito. And don't do the fork and knife thing. Do it the right way. Like that.
You get the salty beef and this deep, rich beef flavor. And then you get that super seasoned rice. And then all of a sudden, that fried sweet plantain comes in. I mean, wow. That is a Thanksgiving in a burrito. Just Cuban style, with Mexican influence, with French fries on top.
Chimi Burrito.
The meat is so tender and so full of flavor.
The kicker, the maduros, the plantains, when you take a bite of that, it's like it explodes in your mouth.
I want to introduce you to a neighbor of yours 200 yards away over at Scully's. And this is a Triple D legend, man. So I thought I would bring him over here to give you a little insight of what happens when you get into the Triple D world.
Just get prepared for it and just get your stamina going because it's going to be wall to wall.
You got anything else for me in the kitchen?
Yeah, we're gonna go do some lobster right now.
The lobster lollipops are delicious.
The presentation is amazing.
Your lobster lollipops?
So this is a spiny lobster.
This is the way we kind of take apart the lobster.
Go.
You have all this beautiful meat inside, nice sharp blade. You can kind of just slice through and put your weight down on it. Take your finger, kind of fix it right in there between the meat and the shell. You want to get nice big chunks. So then we take our chunks, put them in our seasoned flour. We take off the excess flour and we drop it into our tempura and into the oil. And we go ahead and take the tails, fry them, and plate them on the presentation, and deep fry the head also. Gives it a nice, big, bright red color. All right, so this is our lobster lollipops. It's 4 sticks, 2 pieces per stick.
Dig it.
We'll go ahead and put the tails on the bottom of the plate. Our beautiful head.
3 sauces.
Mango habanero, the aioli, and the garlic cilantro. Very, very hot and sweet, so I don't know if you want to start with that one and work your way up. Yeah, that's gonna hurt. It's like a good burn.
Wow!
Yeah.
Hello, governor. Cool. And you get a little sweet kiss on the tongue.
Refreshing.
And then it just burns out the rest of your mouth. And then
our roasted tomato and garlic. You really get a different profile in each one.
I mean, they're great. And it's super, super fresh. Chef, you rock the house, man.
Thank you, man. Thank you
Congrats.
so much.
The lobster pops are delicious. When you dip it in the signature sauces, it's incredible.
This is Dr. Maury, a buddy of mine, lives down here in Miami. Tell me what you think of Latin House.
Great stuff.
Fantastic.
It's a hidden gem that everybody should experience.
A big thank you to you. I'm glad to see that you guys get to meet each other. It's nice to be back on Sunset. Anybody moves in that I need to come check out, you let me know.
Right on.